In a previous show, the Go Riding crew toured the Chinese city of Hangzhou and went behind the scenes at the CF MOTO ATV manufacturing facility located there. Appreciating the business challenges for a Chinese company trying to market its products in the very competitive North American marketplace, today we're discussing business with CF MOTO. In North America, most of us are aware of the manufacturing challenges faced by OEMs. In China, to stay competitive in this market, they also have their own challenges.
So actually the biggest challenge for us, for instance, that we are also sourcing some parts from other suppliers, but that is at the whole industrial level, quality level, sometimes they are different. Yeah. So maybe some of them are quite good, and some of them are still, for instance, in their conformity of production is still not so good. So this is the biggest challenge for us, how to extend our quality control to the supply chain.
One interesting fact that we found out in China is that as of now, there is no homegrown domestic market for ATVs. They don't ride ATVs in China. All are exported to other countries.
The ATV market in China is still at the very beginning because of the following reasons. First, people just got to know this product and how to play. Secondly, most people, that ATV is actually a big toy for most people. And these people are just getting, let's say, rich enough to buy one big toy for them. So the percentage of our sales in the domestic market is very small, but it's getting better. The second and most important reason is the laws and the regulations in China still does not allow the ATV products either on-road or off-road. And this also limits the sales of our ATV products. But we do believe that once we have the relevant laws passed, for sure we can also earn a very good market share in China because the CF MOTO ATV products have already been well known in China.
While there may not be a market in China yet, CF MOTO does take the time to do plenty of test riding of their machines as they develop and produce them.
Actually, the testing of the ATV products on the CF MOTO side is divided into two parts. First, we have our own testing according to our own regulations on different terrain conditions. We also send the samples to our distributors to test on their ends so that the products can be tested in different load conditions, different weather conditions, and see how the quality is. Internally, CF MOTO is also, let's say, improving the testing standard. For instance, the handling of a vehicle. Then we find the different terrains with a lot of, say, zigzag roads to test the handling. And in terms of waterproof and reliability, we can always find the competent terrain conditions and the weather conditions so that we can do the actual test, the real situation test.
This is where the relationship with CF MOTO and their distributors like CMI in Canada is very important. They count on getting feedback on how the machines perform when ridden on the tough Canadian landscape, so they can constantly keep making improvements. This makes lots of trips to China for people like Marco, who work directly as a liaison between CMI and CF MOTO. While we're visiting the plant, we're taken out to a test area where Marco and the test team from CF MOTO put the Sniper and the Trail Tracker models through a run on their private testing grounds. It was a fascinating time while here in China. Experiencing the Chinese process and how they do their manufacturing showed Go Riding firsthand how committed CF MOTO is to the process of building quality ATVs.